Go. Yeah, you got that tongue spot in there.
That's dizzy.
Drunk?
No. Yeah, look at you.
Alright.
Go. Go in. Go closer in. Go, Devin.
Oh my god!
It's dizzy.
I don't know if I'm falling.
You're not falling.
I can't move.
You okay?
No, I'm gonna fall over.
If you spin the opposite way, it actually helps.
Spin the opposite way.
As that sounds.
Almost there.
Here.
Oh,